Okay, welcome to Zeta. This is Kara. Today I will show you around our factory. Okay, this way. This is our mold shop because Zeta industry mainly focus on injection mold and injection molding service. This is our mold making shop. This way. These are our CNC machines. CNC machines. Come close. Come close. Come closer. These machines are used for making this. Like this is cavity, mold cavity. Come close. These are cavity cores. You can see. This is a small cavity, but it's very heavy. So good quality material. Okay, we got today. This area we get like 1, 2, 3, 4 CNC machines. Okay, this way. Besides CNC machines, we also get like a leather and grading machines. This way. So you can like cut off the steel and like grinding the make the polishing surface. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Come close. We are making cutting tool for like EDM jag, so we can use this brass EDM jag to making very sharp, deep structures in your mold. Okay. Follow me. This side. These are cutting tools for the CNC mold machine. Like for example, if the mold area needs to very tiny structure, so you use this kind of tiny cutting jag. If you got like a bigger and more material to cut, then you use this jag to use. And this area is our mold assembly and dispatch area. After all the mold parts made, then we need a place to assemble them. Like, come on. Yeah, right. I want to show you a very detailed item. Come on. This is ejection pins. Like when you make the mold, you have to get the ejection pins so the product can eject from the mold. And more complex, if the product is complex, then we got more pins. If the product is simple, then you get less pins. And we wanted to show you inside of the mold, like it. You can see this handsome man is one of our workers. He is like assembling the cavity to the mold. Here I want to tell you a little secret. For some of the mold makers, they don't really have a cavity. They don't have a really cavity. They make the whole product, whole mold as one piece. If you find your mold is like that, basically means when your mold become like not work anymore, it will take you more money to like fix it. That's why we normally make the cavities separate items. So if any part of it broken, you can just fix one of them, not the whole mold. Okay. Okay, so that's this arrow. Then we will show you the EDM arrows. Okay. Here I want to show you this very interesting structure, like you see this one. This is a brush tool you use for EDM machine. This tool used for like making some items rich with very sharp and deep structure in the mold. It's very detailed, but it can guarantee your product in a very perfect quality. Come on. This is how the EDM machine works. Like when there is some tiny slot, very tiny slot in your mold, if they don't use the EDM machine to do that, then the tiny slot will become unstraight. So your product will become not straight. If you use this one, it will be straight, exactly as your design. Okay, so have a look. See like this slot inside. This slot inside is made by this EDM machine. Okay, making sure it constantly, beautifully without defect. Next. This is another EDM machine. You can have a look. This is one of our most high volume product. This is dental fossil. Dental fossil, you see, we make this for like PNG. We got around 40 injection molds just for this item. Okay. So this is another EDM machine. You can see that's the difference between good manufacturing and bad manufacturing. You can see our EDM machines with the oil is very clear. That makes no dust inside, which means the mold itself will be clean and precise. But if you choose a very bad supplier, you will see what's the difference. The oil is going to be ugly, very dirty. Then the part comes out with bad precise. Okay. Oh, right. You have to see this one. You have to see this one. This is another dental fossil mold. You can see this is one of our high volume products. We sell to US market. We provide to PNG. Right. Okay, so basically that's all the errors we want to show you for our injection mold shop. And next I will show you the injection molding shop. Okay. Okay, so next we will come to the quality checking room. Okay. So this is our quality checking room. I would like to introduce you about this one. This is our 3-dimension checking machine. It's a big guy. I have to explain how we use this 3-dimension checking machine. You see, this touch pin will touch every detail you want to check. Then this machine will transfer the data it catched to the computer. Then the computer will match the data we got to say if the dimension, the points we taken is correctly. If the product is correct, then it will match the design drawing. If the points not correct, then basically means the item's doing wrong. It can catch very tiny structure and very detailed sizes. It's much better than you just using normally. Okay, this is this one, and we got another. This is our zoom up machine. Zoom up machine. What is used for, you see, when you want to test some items with very tiny structure, you want to zoom up, so you can have the very detailed structure zoomed up. Then you can check if that is correct on the computer. Not just by eyes, you check on computers as well. So this is our injection molding shop. We got like a 36 injection machines here. This one is the biggest one. It's 1,100 tons. And we got a smaller ones like 19 tons. And this one, the bigger ones, 1,100 tons can produce items up to like 5,800 grams. Okay, I will show you what is this machine producing now. Okay, let's go there. This is Adam, one of us. Already introduced. Okay, so this machine is produce this table now. This table, you can have a look. This table is very interesting. You can see this texture. This texture, can you show it? This is specially designed for a kindergarten. It's it's selling very good on Amazon now. Okay, you can have a like here. We will start from here. See, every machine in our company, every machine has this kind of chart. Like this one. This is the packing standard chart. So show you how the packing is going to be made. And like this one, this is quality checking standard. Say which error needs to be checked, how to check. This is quality checking standard. And this one, is like a regular quality check record. We check our quality every 2 hours. So when you check. This is our checking standard. And this one. And this one is for injection molding data. Shows which data this injection machine is using now. And this one is for injection machine itself. Like we have workers check this machine, how it does it work? Do we need to like maintain it? This is the machine checking list. Yeah. Okay, guys, I have to show you something else. Like especially for the customer who want a product with flat, big flat part. You see, this is plastic material. When the product comes out from the mold, from the machine, it will warp a little bit. You can say it's not totally straight, not totally flat. So for customer who want a flat product, I have to recommend you. Since it's plastic material, it's really hard for us to get 100% flat list. So if your request is high, you have to tell us so we can make checks to make sure it's flat. That's very important to record. Okay, show you another. Okay. Come on. Hey, say this is a 600 injection machine. You say it's making the bathtub of a baby. The bathtub is made with polypropylene material, and it took out from the mold by this robot arm. You see, even the mold is well designed and well made, sometimes we still need to check around and make them clean before we packing them. This product is matte finish. We want to show, next I want to show you the different finish of the product. This one is matte finish. When you use finger to touch, you can feel like leather or something like that. It's not smooth, it's kind of like a sandy a little bit. It's called matte finish. Okay, next one. Next one, I'm going to find you a smooth finishing product. Hey, look. Look, this one. This is a smooth finishing. Can you see this one? Smooth, without polish, without like a sandy. Okay. Then I will show you a polished one. Glossy surface. This one. Can you see the difference? 看出来吗？ This is matte finish. This is a high glossy finish. So when you're trying to choose surface, you need to make sure which exactly do you want. This is matte finish. This is a glossy finish. Okay. Next, I wanted to show you how to say. I want to show you some like defects. What is called defects in the injection machine? Injection molding. Okay. It's very detailed, okay. Like for this product, because this surface is very nice without marks. But you can see this one here. Can you? I'm not sure if you can see. 可以看出来吗? This is called joint line. Joint line is like a part of the. It's kind of a defect which cannot be get rid of because there is a window. Normally, if your product has a window, then there is going to be joint line. But if your product is like a white color or a yellow color or other colors, the joint line will be less visible. But if your product is like a black color, then the joint line normally come out visible. So if you're doing a product with window, you have to make sure if the joint line is acceptable for you. Let's joint line. Okay, let me see. I want to show you. No, not here. So I also want to show you some items which we think is not good, defect ones. Come. Say this is a chair, stool. This is a stool, and you say when we're doing the injection molding process, we also checking the quality and we judge which is good, which is not. See, this one is good. This is good. Say this bucket holding the no good product. Then we will pick one and say which is not good. Say for us, this dirty is not good. For us, this dirty is not good. So you can count on us. Our workers are checking the quality during the process. Okay, next I wanted to show you our material and how the material comes out. Come on. I'm not sure if you can see this through. This is our clean room. We have 6 injection machines inside. This clean room is at 7 degrees. which is good enough for like making some food degree product and medical degree product. These 6 machines mainly used for like produce transparent, clear color, white color. If your product is other kind of color, we normally not get it inside. This clean room is quite how to say, it's clean, high level safety, so your product comes out food degree safe. Okay, let's. Normally we don't go inside. Okay. You can see he's doing the function test. He's doing the function test. Give a quick look. He's doing the function test. So this one needed to like watertight. So he's doing the watertight proof test. And this is kind of kitchen for our factory. You see, these items need to crush so we can recycle. We don't waste the materials. So when this like no good product happens, we crush them and then we reuse if customer allow us. And this one, this is a material driver. We drive the material because even it's plastic, if the material not dry enough, the product will come out with like a flaws on the surface. It's going to look ugly. So we need to dry the material first. Sometimes, like for PC material, some of the material need to like dry for at least 4 hours before it can be used on our machines. You see, this is the polypropylene material. And this arrow is these are for color mix. We use a color Masterbatch, then put this color Masterbatch into material, mix it together, and mix together so we can have the right color you want. And this area is our warehouse holding your product temporarily, so we can do the packing and quality checking before shipping for product. And that warehouse is holding the material with like a QS and food FDA certified material, special material for food use. We hold the materials inside. And this year we enlarged our warehouse a lot. We can show you our new warehouse. Okay, so this is our new warehouse. You can see we got this one, that one, and that one. We got a very big warehouse now. But even though I wanted to tell the truth, due to the shipping costs getting higher and higher than before, most of customers stocked their products in our warehouse, which gave us a very big pressure on this space. So if your product is ready and you need them, we prefer you not to really stock them in our warehouse for a long time, because we normally offer like a free stock for 1 month after the product done. After that, we will charge the cost. So please try to well organize your orders and make sure they produced and get out of the warehouse. That's very important for us.